Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Clan of Raiders Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. The link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. So when you click on the link, all you need to do is click on Start. You find what can these bots do, conquer airdrops and earn crypto. Click on Start. Then you see, hello Suli, welcome to Clan of Raiders. Just click on Play in one click. To launch this web app, you will connect to its website. Click on Start. This is still a very new airdrop, like it just started. Level up, congratulations, just claim. Okay, you have been invited by Suliat. Claim reward, just claim. Close. So this app is very similar to Hamster Combat Mining. It's very similar to Hamster Combat Mining. On this interface, you can see your coins to level up at the top, meaning you need 500k coins to level up to level 4. So when you click on friends at the bottom, you find out that when you invite your friend with a standard account, you get 20,000 for you and your friend. But when you invite a friend with Telegram premium account, you get 35,000 for you and your friend. Then on the end section, you can find several tasks you can perform to earn more in-game points. So you notice that at the top, you find daily rewards there. Just click on it. So when you log in for 10 days consecutively, you get 5 million coins. Like without missing any day, you get 5 million coins. So just claim for the first day, then the next day you come back to claim again. That's how it works. Then the more side, you can see the Clan of Raiders airdrop coming soon. You can see the roadmap. Currently you're in the core gameplay. So you can see your overall coin balance, you can see leaderboard, which is coming soon, and you can also trade and swap here, which is also coming soon. Now let's head back to the interface. So on those boost section at the bottom, click on it. Here you can refill your energy daily, which is you have 6 every day, 6 per day. Then the multi-tap talks about your tap speed. When you click on it, let's check the tap speed. Okay, it's 3. When you click on it, just upgrade. Then the energy limit now is 4. The energy limit is 25. Here's how to increase your energy limit. Just click on energy limit and add plus 500 energy. Then to increase to 3000. This multiplier talks about your tap speed. That's how it works. So that's all about the Clan of Raiders game. Just keep on accumulating points for now. They've not dropped any update yet about what they'll be using as the criteria for the airdrop. So just keep mining for now. Tap to earn for now. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.